is a language, Urdu. Here is my problem. You are not English. Maybe.
I'm not English.
Maybe. Who is this country?
France.
France. What is your name?
Baltistan.
My name is Mr. Iqbal,
Iqbal.
political leader of Pakistan People Party. He is the daughter of Zardari, my friend.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. He is my student.
You are is the chief here?
My student. He is my brother Raza.
Reza is your
Raza.
brother? Okay.
All our no speaking your English.
Yeah. I'm trying to speak Urdu, but I'm a beginner.
Oh.
Salam alaikum. Kya TikTok?
Yeah, yes. Assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum salam, theek thaak. English is how are you, Mr. Fine, Plan, Pakistan, ye wo. Yes. My Gilgit GB, he is a Gilgit, very best, beautiful. GB Gilgit Baltistan.
Yeah, it's nice. Very nice. I'm happy to be here.
Yes. He is a Kutwal Lake.
Lake? Okay.
Books, Mokhtar Hussain Tarat. He is a Pakistani player, is a guiding.
Okay.
परेशान धरे बतिया नु
परेशान धरेगा
चुनो है भी इंग्रेज ना थी धर्म बड़ो है
जे करेगा
धर्म चुनो है बेर ना थी उन्होंने नजर बड़ो है बेर थी ऐसे ना होते चुनो है बेर थी ऐसे ना हैरान बफा he is a Gilgit Baltistan of your Baltistan. He is a people of best.
The best of
Lake,
Pakistan.
Shangri-La, Mantoka, Shigar, Khapulu, Kharmang. He is a people of best.
Baltistan.
Yes.
Yeah.